this video I'm going to be showing you how I made a hair growth oil which has been helping my hair, because recently I've been noticing that my hair has been falling off and then my hair is thinning, so I decided to make a hair oil. So here I'm showing you the oil that I used. I used olive oil, argan oil, coconut oil, and then I used shea butter. Okay, so here I melted the shea butter, so this is how it's looking. So the ingredients I'm using rosemary leaf, which helps to stimulate hair growth, cleanses the scalp, increases shine, and relieves any scalp issues. And then I'm using fennel seed, which strengthens the hair, stimulates hair growth, moisturizes hair, and cleanses the scalp. Also, I'm using fenugreek seed. It helps fight hair fall and dandruff. Also treats dryness of hair, controls balding and hair thinning, which is the main reason I need it. Also, I'm using neem powder. It reduces split ends, promotes hair growth, and eradicates roughness and frizziness. I'm using clove. It improves scalp health, enhances blood circulation, and it promotes and encourages hair growth. Okay? So I'm using moringa. Moringa helps to fortify hair strands, reducing breakage and breathiness. Also, the last but not least, black seed. Black seed moisturizes the hair, improves scalp health, reverses hair damage, and prevents premature graying. Okay, also boosts hair growth. Guys, all those things have properties in them that are very beneficial to hair growth, to thickness of the hair, and to promoting a healthy hair. Okay, so here I'm putting all of it into my container. I'm putting 3 spoons each of them into a container, and afterwards I'm going on to put in the oil. These are the oil that I use. You can use any oil you want. Okay, so after pouring the oil inside it, I went ahead to turn it and mix it properly and ensure that it mixes very well. So guys, I kept it and left it to sit for like a month. Guys, the more you leave it, the more active it becomes. Once it's up to 1 week, it's good for you to use, but I left mine for 1 month because I want all those good stuffs I need to come out. So after 1 month, guys, this is how it's looking like. Even the oil has changed color, like all those good stuffs has come out and it's now in the oil, and it's time for me to make use of it. So guys, I'm going out to put that into a container. So I'm using a funnel and then a sieve, okay, because I don't want those particles to be in them. All right, so I've gotten enough from it, so now it's time for me to trash them. So if you've stayed with me to this moment and you know you subscribed to my channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Please kindly click on the red subscribe button to get subscribed, turn on your post notification, you get notified on any of my new uploads because I have loads of them coming your way. And don't forget to like, share, and guys, comment in the comment section. Thank you so much, and God bless you for your support. Okay guys, so when I was done sieving it, okay, here's my applicator bottle that I'm going to be using to be applying it on my hair. So I'll go on to transfer some that I will be using at the moment into the applicator bottle, and then I'll keep the other ones for a reserve. Guys, this oil can last as long as forever. Like, you have to keep the other one aside while I use this one in the applicator bottle. So guys, this hair growth oil is a game changer. Guys, I used this thing on my hair, and within a month I noticed a massive growth. Like, my hair is a relaxed hair, and underneath it was so thick, like I have a new growth of hair, right? So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also share for more videos. I'll see you in my next one, guys. This is it for it. Doing the world to stay safe and be blessed. I love you, but God loves you more. Peace.